upright. You can stay sitting upright if you feel enough of a stretch, or start to fold forward. Slow your breath. So you can give yourself some wrist love right now as well. We're going to do the other side. So lift ourselves back up. And no fancy transition, just work our way back to our downward facing dog. Right leg comes up. Bend through the right leg as you shift forward into plank. Bend through the elbows, creating a shelf so the right leg can settle onto it. Extend through the right leg, shift the weight forward so you can pick up the left leg, and then bend through the left leg, sitting down, right shin on top of the left this time. Hip stretch on the other side. Stay upright or fold forward.
Exhale free. This is where I'm meant to be. Inhale strength. Exhale grace. Peace surrounds the sacred space.
Slowly come back up. Back into our downward facing dog. We're going to play around with chin stand now. And then I'm going to add something onto it, something I've never